Hey guys, today I'm introducing to you RedNote app. How safe it is really. Scrolling through aesthetic travel blogs, beauty tips, and product hauls, you might be on RedNote, one of the fastest growing TikTok alternatives out there, also known as Xiaohongshu or Little Red Book in China. RedNote blends TikTok's short videos, Instagram's curated vibe, and Pinterest product links. You can post, review, shop, and build your own visual blog. But here's where it gets tricky. RedNote collects a lot of your personal data. It tracks your location, device info, and in-app behavior, and since it's based in China, that data might be accessed under their surveillance laws. So security experts also found that RedNote sends your photos and activities over unsecured connections. That means your data could be interpreted by hackers. And for kids or teens, the app allows DMs from strangers and has limited content moderation. That opens the door to inappropriate content or online predators. So before you get hooked, here are 4 quick safety tips. First, turn off location access in your phone settings. Second, limit app permissions to camera and storage only. Third, avoid linking other social accounts like Instagram or Google. That's a big no-no. And fourth is use a VPN to help encrypt your connection. So RedNote can be creative and fun, but only if you use it wisely. Keep your info private and scroll smart. Thank you for watching.